Hi everyone, welcome to Scented Flames and Crafts. My name is Nicolette. We're going to talk about gift ideas today. So here we have lemon and turmeric scrub, plus we have our oatmeal surprise soap, which entails lemon. I like to match things. So this is a good idea. This soap is also can use as a body scrub. Here we have mahogany teak wood candle, plus we have a soap, plus we have a tiger eye bracelet. The soap has tea tree in it also. Here we have a combination of different rose things. We have a candle, we have a bath soak, we have a soap, and we have a body oil. Alright, here we have love spell, we have a bath balm, we have a bar of soap, and we have a candle. And if you don't want to go that way, we also make pearl bracelet, freshwater pearl bracelets, 100% freshwater pearl bracelet that you can match with anything. We also do lip gloss. So these are just some of the ideas that we have for gifts for your loved ones, your friends, your family, the neighbor next door. So check us out, guys, only at Scented Flames and Crafts.